In this video, we will talk about packages. I will start in our documentation, which is here, connect logtrade.se/bc/docs. We go into the getting started and walk through topics and start to read here about what we call a package. And as you can see, a package can be created manually or linked to consignment or automatically by entering package lines on the consignment. We will try all this. And here we have a picture of a package. Where you can see we have a package type code. We have kind of a goods type, weight, volume, data like that. We can also designate a package, designate to a specific source document, like a sales order or a customer. Or you can just create a package that is available to use on any consignment. And here you have descriptions of each fields, of all the fields. And we can also specify items on a package. If you need to in detail describe what's inside a package, you can use the item lines on a package. If you specify a source document like a sales order on the package, there is a function to import the items to the package. These item lines does not have any relation to the items that are created linked to the consignment. There is, however, a possibility to set up a rule saying that all the items on a consignment needs to also be described as item lines on a package if you have those kind of requirements. As you can see, we can use sub packages. That is that you can create, let's say, a couple of boxes as packages. And you can then create a package of the type pallet and link your boxes to the pallet as you put your boxes on the pallet in real life. We can also have identifiers on packages, like a unique package identifier for the Internet of Logistics, maybe. We have a details tab where we can enter information about quality control and what kind of barcode symbology we would like to use if we print a label for the package. And when we talk about labels, it's important to distinguish between, you can see here the print label, that is the internal label, which specifies sub-packages and items. It has nothing to do with the carrier. You can also print a delivery label, which is the label that we use when we transport the package, and that is the label that is approved by the carrier. Okay, let's play around a little bit with packages. I can open up a list of packages from here, go to delivery and packages. And let's create a new package, just like this. Leave the package number blank because we will get a package number from Logtrade when we later on use this package on the consignment that we send to Logtrade. But let's specify a package type code and set 2 kilos as the weight. And well, this can be enough. This just says that okay, we have a package in a warehouse. I can also start specifying that okay, this package can only be used on consignments for customer, for Adatom Corp, like that. So then you can create a consignment. Then you can find packages that has been created for this customer, or do the similar for a source document, a sales order maybe. And we can create a consignment from here if we like to work like that. So if I choose here, create consignment. I will create a consignment based on the data on the delivery tab, and I will automatically link this package to the consignment. Not that very common scenario, but it's possible, so let's try it. So the package number 5, we created the consignment and we got the package line with one package, and that should be the package with ID number 5. Yes. So this is one way of doing it. Let's start at the consignment and create a new consignment for the same customer. And enter number of packages like 2 boxes, weigh 3 kilos. We will have 2 packages created. Those should be now number 6 and 7, right? Yeah, and we have 1.5 kilo each. So we create packages automatically by specifying number of packages on package lines. Packages that are created like this will be deleted if I delete the package line or delete the consignment. But packages that I have created before the consignment, those will remain even if I take away the consignment. Okay, let's do a little bit more realistic scenario. Let's create a sales order. With the desk like that. So we have the sales order number here. So let's say that we create a package for that sales order. And the desk is probably a pallet. And the weight could be like 34 kilos. And this is a sales order with that number. And I haven't created the consignment, so let's go ahead and create the consignment. Now we have a consignment for that sales order with the package that I created. So I can prepare and print. I think, yeah, we got the label printed, so I can put that on my package. Let's do yet another way of doing this. Let's create a sales order. One more desk. Okay, let's create the package. Okay, just leave it here. Package number 9. We go back to the sales order and we create the consignment. You will see that there are many ways around this. So we have a consignment for the sales order, and it's time to finding out the packages that we could select to this consignment. So select packages. This will open up a list that is filtered on packages that are available for this sales order, this customer. So there are filters placed on the list of packages. So I select number 9 and it will be automatically inserted as a package line, and behind the package line we will find the package number 9. We can also create package like this from the consignment. Okay, I have one more pallet. This is like 45 kilos. Press OK. So you see we got 2 packages here, which is of the type pallet. Okay, and we have the third package. That is a box. Just some small stuff like that. Press OK. Okay, so we have 1 box here. I can prepare and print. And I have exceeded what is allowed for this shipping agent service. This is good because Logtrade is warning us that because this would cost. Okay, just to maybe we can change the palette like this. Okay. And we prepare and print. And we can't use box. So you see, we have all these validations when we communicate with Logtrade that so we don't do these kind of mistakes which will end up costing money for us. So I will just want to show you that when we finally can send something that is valid to Logtrade, we have 2 packages here. We don't have any package number on them, right? Those are blank. So I prepare and print. If we look at the packages, okay, I got my labels, fine. I also think I got that document since we changed to DHL pallet. And on our packages, we have our package numbers. We got them from Logtrade, along with the tracking number here on the right in the fact box area. We got the tracking number on the consignment. We could spend like a half hour more on packages and details on them and so on. But I think you got the big picture by this little demo. So thank you.